I'm going to show you my top 5 Cydia Tweaks episode number 1. These tweaks will be in no particular order, so that being said, let's jump right into the video. So coming in at number 5, we've got a Cydia tweak called Action Board. Basically what Action Board does, it gives you 4 useful system functions on your app switcher. So the first function we've got is called System. So if I basically tap System here, it'll give you 3 other options to choose from. The first option we've got is respring your device, then we've got power down your device, and then finally we've got reboot your device. The second option we've got is called Camera. So if I basically tap Camera, it'll open up the camera application, like so. Going back now, the third option we've got is called Gibbler. It's a funny word, but what this basically means, it'll open up voice control on your iPod or Siri on your iPhone, like so. Then finally, the last option or function we've got is called Compose. So if I tap Compose here, it'll give me 3 other options to choose from again. So the 3 options we've got is called SMS, Mail, and then Tweet. So if I tap Mail, guys, it'll open up my mail application. So that was a Cydia tweak called Action Board, guys. It's a great Cydia tweak to have, and I definitely recommend downloading it. So coming in at number 4, we've got a Cydia tweak called Power Options. Basically what Power Options does, it gives you more options to choose from when you're going to power off your device. So if I just press the sleep and wake button, guys, bear with me, there we go. So rather than having a slider to power off your device, it'll give you more options to choose from. So here we've got About, Clear Cache, Respring, Reboot, and Power Down. So just to show you guys one of the options, if I press Respring, there we go, it'll just respring my device. So any second now it should finish it. There we go. And if I just unlock my device like so, and if I just press the sleep and wake button again, just to show you guys one final time, there we go. So again, that was a Cydia tweak called Power Options, and I highly recommend downloading it. So coming in at number 3, we've got a Cydia tweak called Maximization. Basically what Maximization does, it gives you the chance to run your apps in full screen mode. So just to show you guys, if I go into Notes, as you can see here, there is no status bar or the battery icon. If we go into Clock, guys, again there is no status bar. Let's go into one more app, let's go into Reminders, and again there is no status bar at the top. So if we go into Settings menu, guys, of Maximization, as you can see here, by default nearly all your apps will be running Maximization. So over here you also have the chance to turn or disable a app off. So what this basically means that it won't be running Maximization. So you might be asking me, then how do I know the time? So the developers have thought of this, and you can simply check the time by dragging your finger on top of the screen, as you can see here. So if I just drag my finger here, as you can see, it will tell me the time and also the battery percentage. You can also look at the notification center as you would normally do by pulling it down like so. So again, that was a Cydia tweak called Maximization, and I highly recommend going and downloading it. So coming in at number 2, we've got a Cydia tweak called Stride. Basically what Stride does, it gives you the option to draw a pattern of your choice to unlock your device. So if I just slide to unlock here, as you can see here, it'll ask me to draw a password. So if I just draw a password like so, as you can see here, it did unlock my device. So if you go into the Settings menu of Stride, guys, you basically want to have it enabled. Then you've got the option to skip pin entry, and then multi-shape password, so you can turn it on or off depending on your choice. And then if you just downloaded Stride, what you basically want to do is click on Change Password. So here's basically where you set up your password. So this will require you to draw your password 3 times, and then you're ready to go. So the next option we've got is called Hide Passcode Override, so you can turn that on or off, and then finally skip slide to unlock. So if I just unlock my device and unlock it, if I draw any random pattern, for example, let's just scribble on it, there we go, and as you just saw here, it flashed red. So what this basically means is the passcode or the pattern is wrong, and it won't let you unlock your device. So if you, for some reason, if you can't draw it, or if you've forgotten it or something like that, you can simply press those little circles right there, and this will let you unlock your device. So it's kind of like a lifeline, I suppose. So it's quite good to have. So final time, guys, if I just draw my password, there we go. It flashed in red, I don't know why, but let's draw it properly. There we go. So again, that was a Cydia tweak called Stride, and I definitely recommend. So coming in at number 1, we've got a Cydia tweak called DeepEnd. basically what DeepEnd does, it gives you kind of like a 3D effect when you're moving your device. So as you can see here, when I'm moving my device, my wallpaper is also moving with it. So if I go into the settings menu of DeepEnd, guys, you basically want to have enabled, and then you've got 3 other settings to configure. So the first one you've got is called zoom. So if I keep it to the far most, guys, as you can see here, it has zoomed in more and it looks pretty cool. And as you can see here, when I'm moving my device, the background is also moving with it, or the wallpaper. So the next settings we've got, setting is called pitch. So you can have it to whatever you want, and then the final one is called roll. So again, you can keep it to whatever you want. So if I keep everything to the most, guys, like so, as you can see here, it does look pretty cool and very eye attracting. So again, there's a Cydia tweak called DeepEnd, and I definitely recommend going and downloading it. It does make your device stand out from the others, and it looks pretty neat. So that's all from me, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like these, please be sure to check out my channel, and I will be uploading more videos like these. So again, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.